To formally conclude our program, let us listen to a message from Honorable Mapilindo Obao, Board Member and Chairman of the Committee on Culture, Arts and Tourism. A hand, please.
Ayaw mong tagsabahan. As we draw this meaningful gathering to a close, let us pause and reflect on the profound significance of today, the 100th of today, the 12th of June. Today, 127 years ago, we honor not only the hero, but also the countless Filipinos, past and present, who continue to embody the essence of Bayanihan, resilience, and patriotism. Filipinos have always listened to occasions, driven by a shared vision of a just, free, and prosperous nation. As we commemorate this day, let us remember that freedom is not merely a gift, but a responsibility. We must uphold it is our